How to tune your octave mandolin. Get your chromatic tuner and clip it to the headstock. If you don't have a clip-on, I highly recommend getting one because it's very accurate. It picks up the vibrations from the strings, from the neck and the strings directly, and it's pretty precise, very precise. Turn it on and go to the chromatic setting on your tuner. If your tuner does not have a chromatic setting, I recommend getting a tuner with a chromatic setting. You can buy one from Amazon. They're very cheap, about $15, but it's going to give you more accurate tuning on the octave mandolin and the mandocello than just a regular mandolin tuner. Okay, so the top string is G. When you tune, you want to pick each string individually and don't let your pick touch the other string, or your fingers touch the other strings that you are not tuning. So it should, the color should change to green and the arrow should point to the middle if it's in tune. If it's not in tune, then take the peg for the G string and turn it either clockwise or counterclockwise so the arrow moves in the direction you want it to go, which is vertical. After you've tuned the top string, go to the bottom of the G string pair and tune that second string. Then the next string on the octave mandolin is D, so tune the top string first, and then the bottom string. The next string is A, so tune the top string first, and then the bottom string. And the last string on the octave mandolin, the bottom pair of strings is E, so tune the top string first, and then the bottom string. And assuming everything's in the green and the arrow is vertical and center each time, then you're all set. You're tuned and ready to go. Turn off your tuner. And I take mine off. So a lot of people leave theirs still attached, but I take it off so that I can tune the other strings on my mandocello and the other instruments that I play in the mandolin orchestra.